Okay, let's do this ratio sum. 3 glasses of orange squash are made with 600 milliliters of water. How many water is needed to make 7 glasses of squash? Right, so this is related to the direct proportion. Today we are going to solve this direct proportion by using the method of equivalent ratios. Right. Okay, so we'll write two ratios. 3 glasses to water. Right. How many glasses? 3 glasses. 2 are made with 600 milliliters. Right. How many water is needed to make 7 glasses of scotch? Right. Before we find the 7 glasses, we'll find if it is 1 glass, how many water is required. So how to find if it is 1 glass, how many water is required? What we have to do? We have to divide this one by 3. Okay, 3 divided by 3 is 1. The same thing we have to do to the other number as well. So 600, you have to divide this one by 3. So 600 divided by 3 is 200. That means to make 1 glass, there should be 200 milliliters of water. Now easily we can find to get 7 glasses. So how to find if it is 7 glasses? How many water? We have to multiply this one by 7. Okay, so multiply 200 by 7, it's 1400. So if it is 3 glasses, the water is 600 milliliters. If it is 7 glasses, the water required 1400 milliliters.